What's going on, good people? It's Terrence here with Southern Gentleman Sable TV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel. Today we're gonna do a quick, simple recipe, caramel apple pie biscuits. And like I say, it's real easy. We're using old school Grand's flaky biscuits. We're gonna keep it simple. All right, it's a quick recipe. All right, so first thing first, like I said, we got our biscuits. We're gonna open this bad boy up. I know we always used to hitting it on the table. You don't really have to do that. You know, you can just squeeze it, right? See that? All right, so look, what we got here, I got a half a cup of melted butter. I got a can of the apples. I did the organic apples. Fruit filling apples. I just chopped them up, mixed in a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Over here in this bowl, I got a half a cup of brown sugar. I got a tablespoon of cinnamon and an eighth of a teaspoon of nutmeg mixed in here, all right? So first thing first, we're gonna take each one of these biscuits, all right? I'm gonna dip it in the butter, just like this, all right? And then I'm gonna dip it in here, almost like you batter it, all right? I'm gonna just try to hit all them sides, like so, all right? And then in the cast iron, I got a cast iron pot that I'm putting them all in, all right? So we'll do that real quick. All right, so we got all those in. Now, the last thing we're gonna do, let's see if I can show you here, and I'll put it down this way. The last thing we're gonna do is, we're gonna take those apples and we just gonna put them over each one of them biscuits. Just make sure we got those nice and covered. All right, can you see that? Look at that. All right, so listen, we're gonna go in and put these in the oven. You just use your normal time that's on your biscuit wrapper. Like this says, 13 to 16 minutes at 350 until golden brown. All right, so that's the key. All right, so that's what we're gonna do right now, and then we come back, and then we're gonna build onto it. All right. Ooh, look at that. Boy, that looks amazing. So listen, we ain't done though. We got some levels to go. So check this out. I got some caramel sauce. We're gonna drizzle that over them biscuits like that. Look at that. All right. And then I got some icing. We go. Man, let me tell you something. I ain't gonna lie, this big bag behavior right here, you don't wanna do this all the time. You wanna eat this in moderation, for real. All right, so let's taste it. Let's see what we're working with here. Look at that. let's see. Let's see what we got. It's gonna be hot. Let's see though. Let's see. Man, that's money. And you know, believe it or not, it's not as sweet as you think it's gonna be. It's actually accompanies really well. The biscuit is buttery. It's cooked all the way. Look at the bottom of it. That brown, it's flaky. That's good stuff right here. Like I say, you can do a lot of different things. You can do cherry. You can do whatever. All right. But this is good, man. Anybody, you guys, let me know if you do it. Let me know how it turns out for you. Leave me some comments. Again, please like and subscribe our page. All right. We appreciate you.